So guys, Instagram is down right now. Many people get some error, something like this. Says couldn't create thread. We are sorry but something went wrong. Please try again. And many people think there could be three things happening. Instagram is either hacked or Instagram is down or there might be an update into the Instagram. Also, what is the estimated time Instagram will get fixed? And is there any update, official update from Instagram itself? Well, today in this video we'll check it out all. So without further ado, let's get started. And well guys, checking the down detector, this happens quite rarely, but you can see the outage has been started from 5th July and still it's 6th July today, and outage is still there, and like 1500 people reporting they can't able to use the Instagram application. And mostly the problem relates to apps. Everyone is checking Twitter. What's going on right now? Twitter is active but Instagram is totally down like this. I think Instagram needs to do something quickly. Many people restarted the phone a lot of time but it didn't help at all. And those people who don't really care about Instagram, like they use in 5 days or so, it's not a big deal for them. But for everyday Instagrammers, you just can't imagine how bad this is. Also, there is a thing going on right now which people think Instagram is hacked or something like that. You can see many people tweeting out Instagram got hacked, and it might be legit reason for them actually, but it's not happening to all the people. So to get any sort of official update, I headed over to the Instagram's Twitter official page, and here you can see guys, we got just one update 12 hours ago, but this one does not relate to the outage situation right now, and looks like we didn't got any official statement regarding this outage. It's well and good. Doesn't matter whether the outage is lasting more than 9 hours, but the worst thing is I have searched a lot about what's going on right now, but looks like apart from lots of trolls and things like that, I didn't got any sort of information, at least from Instagram itself. Many people get some error, something like this. Says couldn't create thread. We are sorry but something went wrong. Please try again. Now the most important thing remains, when this issue is gonna get fixed. Honestly, after searching for a lot, I think guys we just have to wait for a little. But once I get the update when this issue is gonna get fixed, I will update that into the description, also in the comment of this video. And guys, we are on to the critical goal of reaching 100k subs, so make sure you will be the part of it. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your friends. This is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.